Are you an ESL teacher? Do you want to have private online students? I can help you with that. Just watch this and be informed. Good day everyone! My name is Teacher Rhea and I am here to share about Speak Up. Speak Up is actually a community online where we upload promotional videos of teachers who want to have students for free. In other words, we don't collect fees from you, but we help you promote your videos to students. What do you need to do then? First, we will send you a sample interview questions so you can make your own script for the video. Then of course, we will take an introduction video that will be uploaded online. We will also do viral advertising to help you get students. And if students are interested to have class with you, they will contact you through the contact information that you will provide. If you have more questions or clarifications, feel free to leave a comment or you can contact me through my FB Messenger or my contact number written on your screen. So what are you waiting for? Come on and let's get started. Thank you, and once again, have a good day.